Hi everyone, welcome to Mechanics of Music. My name is Caitlin and I am here to lead you through this 30 lesson ukulele journey that we are on. Today is one of my favorite lessons because for one, this song only has 3 chords. It's an easy song, it's really fun. For 2, it's a great song for kids, for teens, for adults, for anyone in between. It's just a great song. For 3, you want to know why I love this song? Because no matter how many times I teach it or play it or sing it, it always gets stuck in my head, but I never get sick of it. There's definitely songs that I get a little bit sick of and I need to take a break from them, but this is not one of them. So today the song is You Are My Sunshine. I want you to grab your uke, make sure that it's in tune, and let's rock. Maybe we won't rock, but we will gently strum and let's play. How about that? Okay. First thing we need to do when we get a new song is we just look at it, we make sure, do we know the chords? In this song, there's only 3 chords. 3 chords are C, F, and G7. Now, we should know these chords by now if we've gone through all the lessons and we've been practicing diligently, but if not, let's review. Our C chord, 3rd finger, 3rd fret of the A string, awesome. F chord, 1st finger on the E string, 1st fret, 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the G string, and our G7 chord, we have 1st finger, 1st fret of the E string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the C string, and 3rd finger, 2nd fret of the A string. Beautiful. 3 chords and the truth, as they say. So what we're going to do is if we look at the document that you downloaded, you see that it says, You Are My Sunshine, and right over the word sunshine there's a letter C. So that means we're going to play our C chord, and we're going to strum the C chord, right, starting on the word sunshine, and we're going to keep strumming until we get to the next line where it says, You Make Me Happy. Right over the word happy there's an F. That means we're going to change chords to our F chord, and we're going to strum it, until we get to the word gray. We go back to C. You'll never know, the word know, we go to F. How much I love you goes to C. Please don't take my G7, sunshine away. Beautiful. So to practice, what you're going to do is you're just going to play the C chord, you're going to switch to the F chord. You're going to go back to C. Then you're going to go to G7. You can do this motion without even strumming to practice. C, F, C, G7. You want to get really quick at that. I'll give a few more tips on chord changes at the end, but for now we're going to dive right into the song. We're going to start with just a nice down strum. So with your thumb, with your finger, with your whole hand, whatever strumming works for you. Let's just start together. We'll start on our C chord, strumming down. Let's just dive in. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. Get ready for F. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my G7 chord away. Awesome job. So as you can see, you want to practice those changes. You want to get really fast, like going back and forth from C to F to G7. So here's a few of my tips. Tip number 1. When you're doing your C chord, I want you to have your 2 fingers for F. I want you to have them ready. You don't want to have them tucked in down here. You don't want them flailing out here like this. You want them just hovering so they're ready to just boom right onto your F chord. Boom, 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 boom. Do that back and forth a few times. Just do the motion. Practice planting your F chord in one movement. Both fingers at the same time. Boom, boom. You want to practice both fingers going down at the same time. So you can just practice that. Just lift your F chord, plant your F chord. Lift, plant. Then go to C. F, C, F, C, F. Do you see how little my fingers are moving? They're hovering right over where they have to be. When I go from C to G7, I actually like to slide this finger. Instead of lifting it off and resetting everything, I know it only has to go backwards 1 fret. So I'm just practicing the movement. Now what I might do is maybe strum. C, G7, C, G7, back and forth. Then I might do C and then F. C, F. Now I might try the chords in the order that they are in the song. So in the song it goes C, F, C, F, C, G7, C. So I'll go C, F, C, F, C, G7, C. Now do that a little bit slower, just for the purpose of showing you I'm going a little bit fast. Let's try it together. Let's play our C chord. Now I want you to get ready for F. Move your fingers into place, hover them over their spot. Now plant them and strum your F chord. Let's go back to C. Get your ring finger ready, hover it over, and boom, go to your C chord. Let's go back to F. Hover, boom. Let's back to C one more time. Now C to G7, slide that finger back, plant the other two, back to C. Awesome. Let's try it with 4 strums on each chord. We're gonna do C, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G7, 3, 4, back to C. Awesome. So pause the video, take some time to just practice those transitions, and when you're ready, let's try it together. Now you can see in this chart, just to save room, I just put in brackets, like square brackets, repeat chorus. So what you're going to do is start with the chorus. The chorus is the part of the song that you're always repeating. It's usually a really catchy part. It's usually like the theme of the song, and then the verses is where they tell the story, and it's usually the same melody, all the verses, and then the words are going to change. So we've got 3 verses and 1 chorus. So we'll do chorus, verse 1, then we repeat the chorus. Verse 2, repeat the chorus. Verse 3, repeat the chorus. Let's start on our C chord. Now, if you're singing along, it's good to know that this is our first note. You are. So get that in your ear. You. Now, there's 2 ways to start the song. We can start it with what we call a pickup, which is when we start to sing and we don't play, like, you are my sunshine. Or what I like to do is just get everybody on the same page. We'll just strum the C chord together. 1, 2, 3. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Here's verse 1. The other night, dear, as I lay sleeping, I dreamed I held you in my arms. When I awoke, dear, I was mistaken, and I hung my head and I cried. Back to the chorus. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Verse 2. I'll always love you and make you happy if you will only say the same. But if you leave back to the chorus. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Keep going, verse 3. You told me once, dear, you really loved me, and no one else could come between. But now you've left me to love another. You have shattered all of my dreams. Chorus last time. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. If you made it all the way to the end, that is awesome. Congratulations. If you didn't make it to the end, that's also totally fine. Your fingers are probably hurting. This is our very first song. So now for a couple tips of what you can practice. I want you to practice just going back and forth between those 2 and 3 chords. C to F, C to F, C to G7, C to G7. Practice strumming nice and even. Practice strumming with me. Maybe just try singing along to start. Maybe try just playing along. Now, if we want, we can try to spice it up a little bit more. So instead of just down strums, we can maybe try doing down and up strums. So let's try that on the chorus. We'll do down, up, down, up, down, up. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. That's pretty cool too. So you can actually go back in the video and play along with me, and I'll just do the down strums and you can fill in some of those gaps with the up strums. So eventually what you'll want to do, if you're a total beginner, I say stop the video there, and that was awesome for today. Have fun, play back with this video as many times as you want. If you thought that was easy and that was cool and that was fun and you want a little bit more, let's try putting a different strumming pattern on the song. And we can try pattern, maybe pattern number 6 is a good one. So that one's down, down, up, up, down. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. That sounded pretty cool. Once again, you can go back in the video and you can play that strumming pattern over top of me just doing the down strums. So you guys, congratulations, you just learned your first song on the ukulele. One of my favorite songs, a little bit depressing if you actually read the lyrics, but also so beautiful, and So great. 3 chords and the truth. I want you to go back and play along with this video as many times as you want. Slow the video down if that helps. Speed it up if you're too bored at the slow tempo. Try a different strumming pattern over top of me playing just the down strums, and really try to get your chord changes as fast as you can. Try to get really nice clear chords. If the singing is too hard at first, just don't sing. Let me take care of the singing, or maybe just sing. If your fingers get sore, just stop and sing along. You know, you can just kind of strum too. You can just do the strumming. So great job. Keep practicing, keep strumming, keep smiling. You guys are doing great. Can't wait for the next section of our journey. I will see you in the next video. All right.